Except for failure to pay a traffic citation in '82, Paul Renard has a clean slate. And speaking of traffic...
Not another joke.
Remember your stress, Michael. Yes, it's great to be back on the road again.
How great is it?
But seriously, I stopped for gas the other day and the service was so slow, by the time they filled me up, my upholstery was out of style.
It's gonna be a long, long ride, kid.
On the street so evil, so bad that even hell disowned it. Every single step was trouble for the fool who stumbled on it. Eyes within the dark were watching. I felt the sudden chill of danger. Something told me keep on walking.
You all right? Yeah, I guess I'm just working myself a little too hard. Don't worry, I'm gonna be all right.
Something wrong, Mr. Renard?
No, you surprised me, that's all. You say you saw a secretary wearing one of my prize orchids?
Yes, sir, as impossible as it seems. She said it was a gift from her boss.
She must be a whiz at shorthand.
10 words a minute.
What sort of business is her boss into?
Killing people. Maybe you've heard of him. His name is Sonny Martin.
No, I don't believe I have.
Well, he's a terrific admirer of yours. Your orchids.
Ah, the gentilius is a rare creature. Would you care to take a closer look, Mr. Knight?
Love to.
Yes, so delicate, so lovely. Hard to believe it hides a deep, dark secret.
And what is that?
Well, if I told you, it wouldn't be a secret anymore, would it, Mr. Knight? Well, what do you think of it?
Well, I've got to admit, I've never seen another flower quite like it.
No, in some ways, you're fortunate to have seen it at all. Well, if that's all I can do for you, Mr. Knight.
If I wanted to buy one of your rare orchids, where would I go?
Unfortunately, they're not for sale.
No kidding. I wonder how Sonny Martin got his.
Well, as you can see, there are no armed guards around. One doesn't expect treachery in a greenhouse.
Nor in a beachfront bar, especially when it involves the death of a young girl. I mean, that's treachery of the worst kind. I got a real sneaky suspicion we'll meet again.
Perhaps. But then, who's to say for sure? Speak of the devil, and the devil appears.
What's Knight doing here?
Better question. What's he doing anywhere?
Yeah, I thought you were going to take care of him.
Something must have gone wrong. And thanks to your generosity with my orchids, he's breathing down my neck.
Welcome to the club. Hey, don't worry about it. Next time I'll handle him myself.
How?
The old-fashioned way. I'm going to kill him.
Kit Renard's into this up to his geraniums.
But how do we prove it, Michael?
I don't know. If I knew that, I'd be here to take Cindy for a slow walk on the beach, instead of trying to find out if she's even seen Sonny and Renard together. You got that hard copy for me? Now that's what I call instant service. Keep your scanners peeled, huh?
Michael, duck.
Pick me up.
I'm on my way, Michael.
KITT lets haul him in before he gives garbage a bad name.